In a bustling town where dreams seemed as lively as the streets themselves, lived a young man named Karan. Recognized for his intelligence and kind-hearted nature, Karan's life appeared enviably perfect. He enjoyed the comfort of a supportive family, shared laughter with his siblings, and indulged in a life where every need was attended to. Yet, amidst these comforts lurked an uncomfortable truth. Karan had never ventured out from under the protective wings of his family. He had never faced life's challenges independently or made significant decisions without leaning on those around him. Perhaps it was the convenience of remaining sheltered or the fear of the unknown world that kept him tethered to home. However, an opportunity knocked that could change all that. A job offer in a faraway city appeared, an unexplored terrain that promised growth and transformation. Despite his parents' hesitations and fears that he might not withstand the trials of solitary living, Karan sensed a calling. It was an opportunity to confront the lingering question, am I truly independent? Can I survive on my own? He accepted the offer, ready to embark on a journey that, unbeknownst to him, would reshape his identity. Entering the new chapter of his life in a chaotic city felt like walking into a storm. Simple daily tasks that were once second nature, such as preparing meals or maintaining a schedule, morphed into daunting challenges. Initially overwhelmed, Karan's resolve remained unshaken. With each passing day, he began to absorb invaluable lessons, transforming uncertainties into strengths. Living alone became his most demanding teacher, revealing to him the following poignant lessons about life. The first of these lessons was true independence. Back home, reliance was woven into his fabric. His mother managed his meals, and his father offered guidance in financial matters. However, standing alone in the city, Karan learned to navigate his own responsibilities, from cooking to financial prudence. The realization dawned upon him. Independence transcends physical detachment. It is the ability to sustain oneself. In tandem, Karan discovered the intrinsic value of money. Previously indifferent to budgets and expenses, living alone introduced him to financial discipline. Each expenditure now required careful consideration, teaching him that financial wisdom is a cornerstone of stability. As he carved out this new existence, solitude offered Karan a mirror to his soul. Free from external influences, he delved into introspection, uncovering interests and passions he had never explored before. This period of self-reflection became a pivotal environment for self-discovery and growth. Furthermore, the necessity to make decisions independently instilled Karan with newfound confidence. Hesitance gave way to assurance as he learned to trust in his judgment and decisions. Independence fortified his self-belief and resilience, empowering him to tackle challenges with newfound courage. Immersed in the practicalities of everyday life, Karan honed essential skills, from fixing leaky faucets to handling emergencies. Tasks once deemed impossible became routine. The empowerment stemming from such accomplishments testified that practical skills are as crucial as academic prowess.